Hi, my name is Christian. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight we're going to make mashed potatoes and barbecue chicken. First you have to take your frozen chicken and defrost it. Hi, this is me, Christian Berkey. As you can see, this is my mini Weber grill here. I'm saving up to get a bigger one, I think. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to use this. And what you're first gonna do is you're gonna make sure your vents are open. That makes oxygen and it gets it hotter. It's kind of like a knob when you turn your gas grill, but now as you can see, I have this charcoal chimney. We don't have any newspapers, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a brush, and where is the, there it is. And as you can see, I'm gonna, before I put the chicken on when it's hot so it can get off. You can also use this grill for tailgating. I have my chimney here, and I'm gonna take some of this paper, pull it out. Anyway, I'm gonna put this underneath my chimney. As you can see, I'm gonna pour some coals in. I might need some more too. This thing, and where the lines stop with this, I like to kind of maybe even as you can see, there's these lines over there, and I like to fill the coals up to here. You have to close the match before you light it, and this is how you light it. And as you can see, I'm trying to get into this. Here we are. The coals are getting really warm. It's been about 15 minutes, and we're going to wait 15 more minutes. Okay, it's been half an hour, and now I'm going to dump the coals in. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, this is kind of, whew. Anyway, sorry. As you can see, I'm gonna use this to brush the grill rack off. Right now, it's good texture, but it's raw. As you can see, I love the texture of the raw meat. No comments, please. Alright. And you put the grill lid on, but I'm gonna wash your hands because it kills the bacteria. As you can see, you have to have your chicken be all the way done to 165 degrees. It's between 160 and 170. Seems a little bit red, but it's at 170 degrees. But it's done, right? So anyway, I'm gonna put this. I like to dump some good. Maybe don't dump the juice on if you want to have good flavor. What you can do to have your coals cool off faster is that I close one of those vents, and I'm going to get both of these. I want to get this hooked up to this. And alright, and these vents is now closed, and it helps it to cool off.